First car we went out together in the M5.
Oh yeah, no, that was nice.
And then I went out in the purple GTR,
what was that like?
and my mate went out in the absolutely insane. And my mate, he went out in the dark blue one.
Yeah.
And this is our last rides.
Right. What's he in now?
He's in the TVR.
Okay. Come on, lights. There we go.
If you had to pick a road where you've taken us just cruising, that would be your favourite, your top.
Yeah, I think we had some pretty cool times in Spain last year in the mountains. Driving down Cornwall when there's no traffic is pretty good. It's usually so busy that you don't want to do it. We took this to Switzerland 2 years ago, and I went up the mountain passes, so that was fun. Just chasing around up around the hairpins.
This is the kind of car which you don't want to go in for speed. This is kind of like cruising through the countryside.
Yeah.
Have you taken us to the NEC?
Once. Yeah. About 3 years ago.
Oh, right.
I've just been busy every time the NEC shows come along and missing it. So.
And this is your daily driver?
My baby what?
This is your daily driver?
No. Comes out once every 2 or 3 weeks, depending on what's going on. But this time of year, almost every week. But no, last time down the motorway in a Range Rover.
There's nothing wrong with the best 4x4.
No, it's very nice. I like it a lot. It's getting old, but it's still behaving. So long may it continue.
So have you had anything done to the car at all?
This one? Yeah, it was in quite good nick when I got it. I've had the air conditioning rebuilt, a little bit of rust here and there. I had some welding done on the chassis this year, not very bad, but just a little bit. Full service, spark plug change. That's about it. A bit of paint here and there when the rust was done. Yeah, the needle's where it's going. There we go. That could be them coming now.
one of the ones I went in, like at one of the Camberley car shows, an F-Type.
Yeah.
And then after that, an E-Type. An E-Type sort of. As a challenge, as a challenger.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't mind going in an Eagle.
They're very nice.
About £500,000.
Yeah. No, that E-Type, and a guy who's got a Lotus Eclat, a green one. That's what got me into sporting bears in the first place. I saw that my nephews went out in those two cars at Carfest about 3 years ago, and I was just chatting to the staff while they were out. And I didn't have this car then. I bought this car, and the first thing I did was join the bears and have a look back. It's great. Can't see a TVR behind us.
Where you got lost around there?
Yeah. Go straight over?
Yeah, straight over.
Then you do a right. That brings you back round.
Yeah.
Scratching the boat. Do you edit it all when you get back?
Yeah. I just keep all the best bits. What is the top speed this thing could do?
It does about 160. It's not limited. I've not had it much of a ton. I haven't really had the chance to. Need to take it to a track there.
Or go to the autobahn.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, once you get above about 120, everything is happening very fast. And I'm not as young as I used to be. I don't frighten me, but you're just more aware of the fact that things could go wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. If I was going to do it really fast, you want to do it in something like a Nissan GTR, wouldn't you? That's safe, sound, computers helping you live right.
Yeah. you done track days in this?
No, not yet. I will do. I've got a chance to go to Castle Coombe next year, near Bristol, near Bath. So I'll probably do that. Last time I went to Castle Coombe, I used to do a 360 spin. That was fun.
What, in this?
No, in an old Fiat X19. Do you know those? It's a little two-seater Fiat, like a Spider 124.
Alright, what kind of year are they?
What year? Mine was on the Y-Reg, so that was 1980, 81. That was getting towards the end, so they were 70s car, really. And he had a 1.6, 1.5 litre engine, but it didn't weigh very much, mid-engine. And that went, put your foot down in there. It was pretty lively. What do you drive?
I don't. Which is handy considering it only lives like about a mile or so from town.
Long time ago?
And that was, yeah, quite a while ago. I'm trying to remember now. No, and I've been to the NEC Classic Car Show once.
Yeah.
Silverstone Classic, like once. Camberley Car Show is probably the one I go to most. And Wheels Day.
The Camberley Car Show is so easy and there is so much there to see, isn't there?
There is.
I go to the auctions, the historic auctions at Brooklands. They alternate between Brooklands, Ascot and Mercedes-Benz World next door to Brooklands.
So how do the sporting bears actually choose where they go?
Well,
I mean, do the companies like say, hey, you want to come to? Do you guys want to come to our shows?
They might do, but it's more like this one. David, who organised it, he's got the orange GTR or bronze GTR. He's a Camberley guy, so he presumably one day thought sporting bears could do this. So there are 4 or 5 regions: the south east, southwest, Midlands, north, Scotland, and all the rest of that. And they all organise their own events. But we all know about each other's events. So the guy that organises NEC, for example, is not our area, but through email and website and stuff. Some really good stuff comes back video-wise. Yeah, so Carfest next weekend. There's also a show at Arundel that I've never done because I've always done Carfest. But I've done Carfest 4 times now, so I might go to Arundel next year. Do something a bit different.